Good morning.
We just ate some breakfast in the car, and by breakfast, I had a breakfast pizza, Layla had macaroni this morning, and Jimmy had a ham and cheese sandwich, minus the cheese. We are going to the Boudreaux Center. It's like...
Wildlife Visitor Center?
Yeah, that's good. Wildlife Visitor Center. Anyways, we're gonna go and just explore and hang out. They have a whole bunch of trails and stuff, which we're really full. I don't know if we want to be walking that much.
Today's objective is to have you leaving this video knowing one thing you didn't know before it started.
Octopus don't have bones. Any bones. There's my for the day.
You're gonna learn today. Ready to go in here and see some animals?
Okay, let's go.
Follow the trails.
Follow the yellow brick road.
I'm coming.
Follow the yellow brick road.
Alright, if you're around this area, which most of you probably are, if you haven't been out here to the Boudreaux Center, it's definitely a place that you need to come check out. It's worth it. This here could be a pretty cool thing for people who don't know, but most of y'all probably do know about a tree. The annual rings allow park rangers to determine the age of a tree. Oh, you could pause frame right here and count. But I'm gonna save you the troubles because you'll be here forever. There's so many rings. 250 years old. And like every place we go to, Layla can always find the toys. Can't you?
Ooh, look how pretty these are. Those are pretty rocks, aren't they?
She don't care about no rocks, Mom. It's not toys.
It's like, it's a little coin pouch. Necklace.
Coin what?
It's a little coin pouch. It's a little coin pouch. It's a little coin pouch. Purse and pouch.
It's coin pouch.
I'm just gonna let it be too.
Today's episode is on learning, so we're going to learn. Today's episode is not on toys. Old style light bulbs, right here. The little swirly, what do they call those, incandescent or fluorescent? And LED. How much energy does it take to do that one?
Probably too much.
Come on! Okay. It took a lot.
Why is this one not going good?
I think their bulb might be a little burnt out.
Maybe.
But you can see it. See, that shows you that it takes way less energy to light up that bulb.
Change your bulbs to LED.
Yep, change your bulbs to LED and you'll see a huge drop in your utility bill.
What video?
What is it?
It's tiny walk.
A tiny, tiny rock?
It's a party.
Looks like it's a, can you say geode?
Geo.
Geode.
Oh my gosh, he is jumping.
Here, we'll slide a piece of paper underneath.
Oh my goodness sakes.
He's a big spider, and you found him. Good
Ran
job.
right over the top of him, huh?
Good job. See, now that you won't
He's in the jar,
touch
he can't
it.
get you.
He's a big spider, isn't he?
Well, it's very.
What is this?
It,
You remember
It's so soft.
Mommy,
I love that.
Mommy,
What?
it was all off.
Can you say beaver?
Beaver. It's cute.
His tail goes like that?
Yeah.
Yeah. See you? See that one right there? Ooh, come here, here's a big one. Let's see how good we can see that boat. Ready? Oh. It's on a boat. If there's anybody here to check out what kind of camera we use, it's a Canon XX 730HS with crazy 4x optical zoom. And you just seen it right there. That was ridiculous.
There's nothing better than nature therapy. What do you think?
I agree.
Nature therapy?
I agree. I agree. As long as it's
When
not
I
like
was little
100 degrees.
I know. When I was little and I would get mad, I'd just go outside and just hang out outside until I was done. There's that butterfly again.
He's following us around. Trail, this is a good time for me to go ahead and remind you that there is a subscribe button down there. You know where it's at?
Yeah. Just straight below.
Yeah? And what should you do to it?
It's big and red. You can't miss it.
I mean, what would you do if you seen it?
Smash it!
So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Join the family. Look how red that sucker is.
Don't touch it.
There's two on them.
There's two of them.
Yeah.
They're weird. It's super red.
It's what?
Some would say they're almost as red as that subscribe button. You know what's so annoying?
What's that?
As much as I know about freaking like the outdoors, I have the worst time.
Don't know what poison ivy
Yes.
looks like.
I have the worst time telling you what poison ivy looks like. Mostly because I don't get it, so I never had to worry about looking for it.
I don't know what it looks like either, but I'm sure I can find it for you. I was always like, I always had poison ivy when I was a kid. Like all the time, at least once a year. I would always get it.
Well, I can eat it and I won't get it. So I never had to look for it. But now, being that we have a little one, I try to keep my eyes open for it. You know what we're doing?
No.
The floor is lava. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hurry, get on a rock. Oh. Okay, we're safe. Oh, the floor's lava. 1, 2, 3, 4. Woo. Oh, no. Do you know why
Why?
this guy is doing this? So the reason he has his wings open is because he's letting the sun bake his wings and dry them out.
Way.
Back to the day.
Yep.
That's why I'm away.
That's how he warms up his wings and gets them ready. Layla said she had just so much fun in there.
Yeah.
We're leaving the Boudreaux Center. like every day comes to a finish, so does our episodes. We're gonna go ahead and eat, kick back. Where's your pizza? Hope you all enjoyed the video.
Thanks for watching.
Make sure you hit that subscribe button.
You know what to do.
We'll see you next time.
Next one.